Before we start to rebuild life, we must pause and look at it honestly. Many women are running on autopilot, cooking, managing, adjusting, worrying, and surviving. And deep down, deep inside them, there is confusion, there is sadness, and a small question: am I left with all this in my life? Is there nothing else? If you are stuck, dependent, and directionless, there is nothing wrong with you. You have simply stopped looking at yourself. Today is not about judgment, it is about honest questioning to yourself. Ask yourself gently: am I growing or just passing time? Am I living with energy or just completing my responsibilities? Have I stopped learning? Have I stopped dreaming? Have I stopped becoming? Don't say it loudly. Just sit quietly and listen to your thoughts, your mind after this video. Because transformation does not begin with motivation, it begins with honest awareness. Today, we open our eyes and start rebuilding, not to criticize life, but to rebuild it consciously. Take this first step forward towards it.